Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys hotspot setting in your Realme phone guys. In this video guys we will talk about guys how to check hotspot device name in our Realme phone guys. You want to check guys your device name, your hotspot device name, so as you can check. And guys now let's see how to check hotspot device name in our Realme phone. So first of all guys, click on guys your phone setting guys. So friends, you can see this type of settings. So as you can see guys, there is no any setting to check guys hotspot setting guys. You can see there is no any hotspot setting. So what will you have to do guys, you can see guys this connection and sharing option. So I tap here, then guys you can see guys your concern hotspot. So I tap here and guys click on hotspot setting, and guys you can check your hotspot device name from here about phone. And guys you want to rename your device name, so as you can rename. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot device name in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet the next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.